All right, so in this video we're going to be talking about how we are able to go ahead and log into YouTube and register it with YouTube, so you're able to schedule and stream live on the YouTube. Okay. Over here in the bottom right, you have the drop-down menu. That's where we have the Facebook, Periscope, YouTube, and custom stream key. And obviously, we're going to go ahead and select the YouTube. You're going to go ahead and select that. You're going to see a nice little blue button down here that says log in. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. And it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. Obviously, if you have a YouTube channel, you're going to have a Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my information. All right. Obviously, it's going to ask for the password. All right. So this is where you would see several accounts that you have with Google. So if you have a personal one, if you have ones for businesses that you have, this is where you would be able to select the account that you want to go live on. In this example here, I'll go ahead and choose my business one right here, which is Scrappy Doo. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. And all of this stuff is necessary for Ecamm to function with YouTube seamlessly. So go ahead and click Allow. And now we're presented with this where it says Get Started, Go Live with YouTube. All right, so a couple things that we have available to us. Obviously, down here in the bottom right, we're able to enter the title. So we can go ahead and type here Ecamm Live Test. And then over here we have the enter the description. This is just a test. Okay. Now, over here on the bottom right, we have obviously we're destination YouTube. Broadcast, we have public, that means where everybody can see it. We have unlisted, that's where if you share the link with somebody or embed the video, that is how your audience would be able to view it. It's not broadcasted to all your subscribers and everything like that. Okay, that is strictly where you provided them a link, and it's just going to be unlisted in the search engines that YouTube has. Now, the last thing here is private. That means only people that you have specifically invited with email addresses plugged in. They will have to log in to their YouTube account in order to view it, and that is their unlock key, is their email address. Okay, you'd have to provide them with the link to the video that is going to be live. And then you have the ability over here, we have the go live now, or obviously you have the scheduled live. All right. So those are the various ways to go live. When you go ahead and when you are ready, the bottom blue button down here at the bottom, that's what you're going to go ahead and press in order to go live. Okay, so that is how you're able to log into YouTube and sort of set stuff up for your live broadcast.